So sometimes when you're out filming, that video doesn't always make a video, so here are all those times. So first we go to Johnson on the 25th of May in 2020, where we see 57301 running OS08, running from Leicester LIP to Kilmarnock Bonnyton Depot, and it was diverted via the ECML due to the WCML engineer works. And then we go to the 3rd of December, where we see 4S69, the 1604 GBRF service to Elderslie US DRS from Doncaster Airport, GBRF with 66757. And then we go to Prestwick on the 20th of March, where we see a 1A68, the 1322 ScotRail service to Stranraer from Kilmarnock with 156436. And then we go to the 26th of March, where we see a 390 crossover at Uddingston, and one was under 1S45, the 1249 Avanti West Coast service to Glasgow Central from London Euston with 390-0132, meeting 1M13, the 1250 Avanti West Coast service to London Euston from Glasgow Central with 390-008.